Hey everyone, welcome back to our magical garden. I keep hearing from many friends that gardening is very expensive. But as you might already know, it is all about our priorities and where we want to spend our energy, time and money. With few simple ideas, we can garden on a budget. First thing on the budget-friendly gardening is to grow your own seedlings instead of buying the starter plants from nurseries. Okay, you decided on starting your plants from seeds, but that doesn't mean you need to buy those fancy seed starting trays. As much as we try to avoid plastic usage, we still find plastic containers piling up in our homes in the form of to-go boxes, grocery boxes and etc. Let's do our best to reuse and recycle as much as we can. We started our second round of tomatoes and peppers in these to-go boxes, milk cartons and grocery containers. They all have germinated and started growing fine. In fact, I loved using these boxes with lid on. I kept the boxes closed with the lid until the seeds have germinated. It helped in increasing the humidity in the boxes and the seeds have sprouted faster. I will move these into homemade paper pots once they form a second set of leaves on them. The chili plants that you see here are growing in paper pots. We transplanted the baby seedlings into these paper pots about 2.5 weeks ago, and so far they have been holding up nicely. There is no extra cost for these pots and they are biodegradable. I needed smaller pots for my chili plants, so I took these used rule papers from my kids' notebooks and made the small pots out of them. I am sharing a small clip to show how we made the pots, just to give an idea. We chose to do it the simplest way, but there are many ways you can make the paper pots. Search online and choose the best way that fits your plant type and size. It's been about 2.5 weeks since we potted my chili plants up into the paper pots and they have been looking happy so far. We also started our bitter gourd, ridge gourd and bottle gourd for some of the friends who asked for the seedlings in these paper pots, and they are also doing great so far. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in another video with another topic. Until then, happy gardening!